Here we go, Al. Rotate. Run. Okay.
I was concentrating on the farm so much.
Good, again. Rotate. Run. Nice. Rotate. Run. Good. Nice. Rotate. Good. Look at that spin. Wow. Look at that. Rotate. Good rotation on that one. Do it again. Great. Nice, nice, nice. Good. Go under the ball. You got your racket nice and closed now. Right? Look at that. You're keeping that racket nice and closed now on the way back. There you go. Rotate first, then move. Good. Do again. Just get under it, and you got it. Oh, almost. Turn. Great. Again. Rotate first. Oh, almost. Do again. Little under. Great. Stop. How does that feel, Al?